Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series on the job role of Electric Vehicle Service Assistant Class 9th. So let's start the video with today's content on Unit 1, Introduction of Electric Vehicle in India, Session 2, the Environmental Impact and Electric Vehicles. You know viewers, here we are taking interesting topics which will give you a broad spectrum on the subject of electric vehicles. So here are the important points which will be covered in today's session. In this series, we will explore the connection between transportation and environmental sustainability with a specific focus electric vehicles. These points are: first, role of present automobile vehicles on our environment; second, advantages of using electric vehicle. So let's discuss our first topic, that is role of present automobile on our environmental. As you know, the automotive industry play a crucial role in the global economy, but it also poses serious challenges to the environmental. The combustion of fossil fuels in vehicles contributes to air pollution, global warming, and the depletion of Earth's petroleum resources. Many traditional vehicles burn hydrocarbon fuels, releasing pollutants like nitrogen oxides, that is NOx, carbon monoxide, CO, and unburned carbons, SC. These pollutants are harmful to both the environmental and human health. So viewers, our first pollutant is nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen oxide, that is NOx, results from the reaction between nitrogen in the air and oxygen. However, the high temperatures and pressures in engine create favorable conditions for the formation of nitrogen oxides. Temperature is the most important factor in the formation of nitrogen oxides. The most commonly found nitrogen oxides is nitric oxides, that is NO. Although small amounts of nitrogen dioxide, NO2, and traces of nitrous oxide, N2O, are also present. Once released into the atmosphere, NO reacts with oxygen to form NO2. This is later decomposed by the sun's ultraviolet radiation back to NO and highly reactive oxygen atom that attack the membrane of living cells. So students, the question is, how does nitrogen oxides affect human life? Nitrogen dioxide is partially responsible for smoke. Its brownish color makes smoke visible. It also reacts with atmospheric water to form nitric acid, that is HNO3, which dilutes in rain. This phenomena is referred to as acid rain and is responsible for the destruction of forests in industrialized countries. So viewers, our next pollutant is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide results from the incomplete combustion of hydrocarbon due to lack of oxygen. So students, how does carbon monoxide affect human life? As we know, carbon monoxide is a poisonous to human and animal beings that breathe it. Once carbon monoxide reaches the blood cells, it fixes to the hemoglobin in place of oxygen, thus diminishing the quantity of oxygen that reaches the organs and reducing the physical and mental ability of affected living beings. Carbon monoxide binds more strongly to hemoglobin than oxygen. The bonds are so strong that normal body functions cannot break them. Persons intoxicated by carbon monoxide must be treated in pressurized chambers, where the pressure makes the carbon monoxide hemoglobin bonds easier to break. So here, our next pollutant is unburned hydrocarbons. Unburned hydrocarbons are a result of the incomplete combustion of hydrocarbons. Some of these unburned hydrocarbons may be direct poisonous or carcinogenic chemicals such as particulates, benzene, or others. So students, how do unburned hydrocarbons affect human life. Unburned hydrocarbons are also responsible for smoke. The sun's ultraviolet radiations interact with unburned hydrocarbon and NO in the atmosphere to form ozone and other products. Ozone is a molecule formed of 3 oxygen atoms. It is colorless but very dangerous and poisonous as it attacks the membrane of living cells, thus causing them to age prematurely or to die. Toddler, older people and asthmatic humans suffer greatly from exposure to high ozone concentrations. Annually, many deaths from high ozone peak in polluted cities are reported. So viewers, let's discuss the other pollutants. The major impurity is sulfur, which is mostly found in diesel and jet fuel and also in gasoline and natural gas. The combustion of sulfur or sulfur compounds such as hydrogen sulfide with oxygen releases sulfur oxides. Sulfur dioxide is the major product of this combustion. Upon contact with air, it forms sulfur trioxide, which later reacts with water to form sulfuric acid, a major component of acid rain. It should be noted that sulfur oxides emissions originate from transportation sources, but also largely from the combustion of coal in power plants and steel factories. Now students, let's move on our next topic, which the advantage using electric vehicle. Transportation is a fundamental requirement of modern life, but the traditional combustion engine is quickly becoming outdated. Petrol or diesel vehicles are highly polluting and are being quickly replaced by fully electric vehicles. Some advantages of electric vehicle over traditional vehicles are: first, lower running cost; second, low maintenance cost; third, zero tailpipe emission; fourth, tax and financial benefits; fifth, convenience of charging at home; sixth, no noise pollution. First, lower running cost. The running cost of an electric vehicle is much lower than an equivalent petrol or diesel vehicle. Electric vehicles use electricity to charge their batteries instead of using fossil fuels like petrol or diesel. Second, low maintenance cost. Electric vehicles have very low maintenance cost because they don't have as many moving parts as an internal combustion vehicle. The servicing requirements of electric vehicles are lesser than the conventional petrol or diesel vehicles. Therefore, the yearly cost of running an electric vehicle is significantly low. Third, zero tailpipe emissions. Driving an electric vehicle can help you reduce your carbon footprint because there will be zero tailpipe emissions. You can reduce the environmental impact of charging your vehicle further by choosing renewable energy option for home electricity. Fourth, tax and financial benefits. Registration fees and road tax on purchasing electric vehicles are lesser than petrol or diesel vehicles. There are multiple policies and incentives offered by the government depending on which state you are in. Fifth, convenience of charging at home. If you can get a charger where you park at home, it is very convenient to plan your journeys. Sixth, no noise pollution. Electric vehicles have this silent functioning capability as there is no engine under the hood. No engine means no noise. The electric motor functions so silently that you need to peek into your instrument panel, check if it is on. Electric vehicles are so silent that manufacturers have to add false sound to make them safe for pedestrians. So students, it's time for activity. You can get help from your teachers and guide too. The activities include: first, attend an electric vehicle workshop to learn about the technology, how electric vehicles work and their advantages. Second, make presentations about how the automotive industry affects the environment, especially in terms of air pollution, global warming and the reduction of petroleum resources. So students, share your learning outcomes with teachers and contribute to more sustainable future. Now it's time to summarize our video lecture session. We have learned a lot about the environmental impact and electric vehicles. First, role of present automobiles on our environment. Second, advantages of using electric vehicles. Thank you for joining us on this electric adventure. Till then, keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.